Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $5 for each video you watch for free. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free moolah. So, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out this channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers. Alright, without further ado, let's hop over here to this site so I can show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, family. Okay, family, I'm at the website, and the name of this website is LootUp. So on here, you're going to earn rewards for completing simple daily tasks, like watching videos, which is what we're talking about today. But if you want to make even more money doing other things on here, you can answer surveys, take quizzes, and shop online. Now, what's good about this site, when you sign up, you're going to get $5 right off the bat, guys. And very simple to sign up. All you need to do is input your email, username, password, check right here if you're at least at 13 years of age, and click sign me up. Now, how it works. So once you sign up, you're going to access rewarding opportunities. Then the second thing you're going to do is share your opinion, or just watch videos if you just want to watch videos. But you can also enter giveaways, shop online, and complete offers, and much more. Then after you do that, you're just going to redeem your rewards as you earn via gift card, cryptocurrency, or PayPal cash. And here are some more gift cards you can get: Visa, Amazon, Walmart, Steam. And the cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. That's what you would get. Now let's look at what they're saying with some of the people that have used this website. Let's see what they're saying. So this person right here says legit website, and this one person right here says one legit site, $20 already. And this one says nice site and easy to work. I love this site. So everybody on here, and matter of fact, guys, this is from Trustpilot. So it's not from this website. This is from Trustpilot. So people that are getting money on this site, they really like it. And this is how much money they have paid out to users: $5 million. That's something else. And let me just show you what people are earning as of right now. So this person right here, as of today, 12/15/2021, $20. This next person, they got $50. This next person got $30. This next person got $300, $25, $5, and $10. So some of them probably made more than that, and they just want to cash out this amount of money. So guys, this is a good site, guys. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and log into my account so you can see how this works as far as watching videos. Okay guys, I'm inside my account, and check this out guys. It says reach 10,000 points in 29 days and get your $5,000 reward. So guys, they're giving away money all different type of ways on here, even just little giveaways, and even if you accumulate a certain amount of points in so many days, you can get money that way. So this is a very good site, guys, that you can make some money. Now what I'm going to do is click right here where it says earn, and we're going to click on watch videos. It's going to take you here, and here are the videos you can watch, and it's through Hideout TV. Now Hideout TV is another website where they just have all different type of videos you can watch, and that's how you make the money through this website using Hideout TV. Now let's say you want to look at a video with music, so you just click right here where it says start earning, and right here it tells you how many points you're going to receive, because you're going to get Hideout points. And this is for every video plus ads you watch. So you just click right here where it says start earning. And as you can see here, it takes you to the video, and all you got to do is watch the video and watch the ad, and you'll earn the points. So that's how that works, guys. And as you see, they have a lot of different categories, so you don't have to just do music. You can look at videos on celebrities, gaming, movie buzz, tech, laughs. They have the staff favorites. They got food. So they got videos here, just some viral animal videos look like. So they got videos on all different type of things, guys. Whatever interests you, you just click on there, watch the video, and get paid those points. Now I want to show you how you redeem your points. So you're going to click right here where it says redeem. And they got the gift cards here. So here are the gift cards. So all you got to do is get $1 and you'll be able to get this gift card. So when you get 1,000 points, you get $1. So they got all different type of gift cards here. You can get CVS, Target, Google Play. Now if you want to just get Bitcoin, you just click right there where it says Bitcoin. You put the amount of points in here. It shows how much Bitcoin you will get. You put your Coinbase email in there. Now Coinbase is where you store your Bitcoin. So all you have to do is sign up with Coinbase.com if you don't have a Coinbase account. And it's going to show your balance right here. And then you just click confirm and your Bitcoin will go to your Coinbase account. And then last but not least, PayPal. So all you got to do is put in your points, tell you how much money you're going to get, put in your PayPal email address, click confirm, and get paid. And of course, same as the others, you got to have 1,000 points, which equals to $1. Alright guys, that's all I'm going to show you about this website. So it's a very good website. You need to go ahead and start on this website. I mean, this is a new website. I haven't talked about this website before. So you need to go ahead and sign up and start getting this money right now. Alright family, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 40 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this website. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want everybody to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, here's one last thing I want to do before I end this video. I like to do shout outs, and the way I do shout outs is I randomly pick a comment and I flash it on the screen. So today's comment goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. I really appreciate your support. Keep watching my videos, keep hitting that like button, keep sharing my videos if you're sharing, and help this channel to grow. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you. Road to 7,000 coming soon. Thank you, really appreciate it. And on that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace, and always have a prosperous day.